one of the most popular women's snowboards in the industry. The Do Anything, Go Anywhere Birds of a Feather is here to change your riding forever. This hybrid camber, all-terrain destroyer has inspired countless knockoffs chasing its success. Such emulation comes with the territory given that the Birds of a Feather has won every major design award in the industry. The Birds features a hybrid camber profile that takes full advantage of the benefits of traditional camber, zero camber, and reverse camber. Inside is an FSC certified dual core, a poppy lightweight poplar core combined with beech for increased power and durability. Fortress Kevlar bound sidewalls add heavy-duty protection. Two 30mm carbon fiber beams increase power and response, and the Bird's SuperDrive sintered base is the perfect balance between high performance and low maintenance. With 8 sizes to choose from, the Birds of a Feather is suitable for a wide range of riders and is ready to take your snowboarding to new heights.